In this video, we're going to talk about the best way to get paid more for your real estate photography, and that's by add-ons or packages. And I'm excited that we're about to roll out our first giraffe package, which not only includes the photos from the giraffe, but it includes virtual tour, a drone fly-through. You can do it vertical or horizontal, orbital drone where you can orbit around each room that you have scanned, a virtual walkthrough of somebody talking about the home.
This expansive property in Queen Creek boasts
the AI does a lot of the heavy lifting, you just fine-tune in the end. This video is sponsored by Giraffe, but they did not give me any direction, and as everybody that follows me knows, if I don't use the product, I do not talk about the product. So after your scan is done processing, you get, So get 9 different styles of video to give to your clients. They're all vertical or horizontal. Now in my giraffe package, I'm including all of these in what I'm delivering, but what's also great is the giraffe takes the photos as well. So I'm going to delivered high quality, high edited giraffe photos. And what's great about it is you can, inside these photos, you can do different types of editing. You can remove furniture. Let's add some virtual staging, living room. I believe it uses one of the AI tools like Nano Banana, where it doesn't change the structure of the living room or the building, but it adds the furniture to it. So let's see how it does. There you go. That is bohemian as you can get right there. And then you have different styles that you can choose from, kind of like that one. That looks pretty good. They even did a hanging chair, got these lights there. You can see it left all the structure, everything else. It just added your bohemian style. It's pretty simple. Another cool thing is, let's save that just for fun. Let's go back to the pictures. You can create virtual twilight like that here. So let me see. I'm gonna go back to the photos. Let's just do this one. So currently, to do all your enhancements, you go to AI Enhance, and for virtual twilight, you have to do it in virtual staging. They're currently working on making it more user-friendly, but this works for now. The lights. Cool, and spot. And when I was first doing this, I was making the prompts way too complicated. And after a few seconds, it creates you a virtual twilight. And you have different options. I think I like this one the most. But you can regenerate, or you can save it and close it. And yes, these are pictures taken with the giraffe itself. And just real quick, the other things that you obviously get with your giraffe, you get the high-end virtual tour. All my clients that I have been doing this for love it. It is definitely better than what you were getting from other 360 cameras and such. Quality of the scan and the LiDAR is similar to the Pro 3, but the quality of the actual tour, Giraffe hands down wins, because look how high-end and crisp this scan is. And of course, you can go outside and the scan is just as crisp. It's edited like photography. There's no cameras in reflections, and you can also measure. And then they also deliver a floor plan for you that's included in the scans. It is very accurate. Every time I use the giraffe, and the MLS square footage and the giraffe square footage are always really close. This is the closest I've seen. Is pretty much right on. Let's take a look at all the visuals that Giraffe automatically creates for you to share with your clients. So you got videos. If you want to do a Facebook post, let's take a look at that real quick. And this is coming soon. You can edit these captions, just make sure everything's correct. And then this is a Facebook post ready to go. You got Instagram post coming soon. So this is your photo, and then this is your caption, your wording already set up, ready to go for you. And then you got email, print, everything that you need. This is something new that I haven't noticed before. You can do an automatic posting marketing activity. So you can connect your Facebook and your Instagram, and it'll start creating these rollouts and post it for you. Apparently that would be pretty cool to check out. So you also get a property website where you want to go through, update your property data, update property description, You can use AI to generate all the information, your location, all that. You want to make sure all that is up to date and current. Once you have all that lined up, you want to publish your website. I'm going to publish this one because this was a test house. Oh, let me see. Okay, so it's making sure that you do the property data. So you want to finish that so the website is accurate when they build it. So what it first does is gives you how it looks on a mobile phone when you send the link to the website to somebody, so they get to see some highlights that they automatically put together and some highlights of the room. And then here is the photos. You can contact the realtor over here, make sure the realtor's information is in there correctly. You got the gallery of photos, you got the details, virtual tour, floor plan. So what's cool about the floor plan, it does this extra feature that I really like. So if you want to, rotate your floor plan around, etc., you can do that. This is your front entrance, the door. If you can have the 3D version, and then while you're hovering around different areas, so you can see the room. And what a cool feature is they added the panorama to that room, so you could actually see what that room looks like right inside the floor plan. And then another one I really like, especially here in Arizona, it's a cool feature. It's called the sun path. So you can see how the sun comes into the home in the morning. You can drag the slider over to the evening, see where the sun comes in. So keep in mind when you're creating your draft package, all of the media and information you're providing to your client. And it does take a little bit longer to be able to get the videos and the photos and the virtual tour all to look really good. So keep that in mind if you're creating your package, which I suggest, because once you have this package created, you can start it easily at $500 just for a small 1,000 square foot place. And then as the home gets bigger, the more you need to charge. Right now, we're in the beginning stages of this package, seeing how long it takes, how easy it is for the person I have that's doing these draft packages to complete a house and adjust our pricing from there. We can also do where there's pricing where we are delivering the social media stuff, or we can just include it all in one. There's various variations that we can do, but right now our main focus is to get the giraffe out there for an option for clients who want something more high-end like this. I can have my wife go out, take photos, do a virtual tour. She creates a drone video. She creates all these videos from just moving the camera around. Now the great thing is you don't need a lot of experience taking real estate photos. You just need to have an eye for the right angle to set up the cameras. So if you're watching this video, you have any questions or comments about how Giraffe works, the process, definitely comment below. Great news, our business is growing. So if you happen to be in Arizona looking for a real estate photography job,